What's up, guys? I got Animal Barn Animal Edwin grips. They are Edwin De La Rosa's signature. Got the Animal 4-piece Bob bars, the Bob Skirbo bars. Got the Pro Max brake lever. Just random lever my buddy had sitting around because I had to throw brakes on. I got the Animal illegal linear brake cable. We've got FSA impact headset. I've got a shitty stem. Got Animal Barrett forks. I don't have the original top cap. Got fucked up. Got Demolition front hub laced up to Revenge Industries double wall rim with shadow spokes. I've got Animal Lino G-peg. I usually run 4, but decided running 2 today. I've got DK plastic pedals with Animal Alcombino cranks with a Animal PC bottom bracket. I've got Tektro brakes. I got another Animal peg, and my back hub is, hold on, let me get it around. Premium white left-hand drive, laced up with shadow spokes and the Animal GLH tire in front and back. And I've got the Odyssey Aiken, I think it's Aiken Nightwolf seat. Got an Animal pivotal seat post. I got a shitty seat clamp with an Animal sticker on it. That's how I roll. Got a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain with a Animal Vinny light sprocket. And I have a blackout 8-tooth driver on the back. So I'm running 28.8 as my gearing. Pretty sick. I like it. And then let me see if I can get a sound for my hubs for you guys. The sound of the hub with a blackout driver. That was badass. And there is my bike check. Oh yeah, and this is a Sunday Wave 2 frame. Had it since it first came out. Best frame ever. Should get one. They're sick. They'll never break.